These are food storage containers. These come with, is BPF free, and they come with, but anyway, this is the way they look inside when you open them, especially for the meal prep or for lunch. You always need some of them. So this is the way that they are coming. Different sizes, like this. And then they also come with some of these tags if you want to just label them. And it comes with a marker too for those tags. And these are the lids for some of the containers as well. So this is BPA free, leak-proof, stackable, freezer safe, reusable, and microwave safe. They're good quality. They're easy to utilize, to take around with you and everything. So this is exactly how they come all together. And that's it. So